Great is your name, worthy of all praise.
Great is your name, worthy of all praise.
Great is your name, worthy of all praise. Oh God, we lift you high forever. When I walk through fire, you are there with me, even in the darkness. Lord, you let me see. Kishongi habe bumyameni, Siyabonga, ukona nami Baba, haungishindwa.
You restore my soul, you give me peace. In your presence, all my fears release. Umumelusi wami, angisweli lutho. Uyangihola, ngiphumule kuwe Nkosi yami. Worthy of all praise, oh God, we lift you high forever.
You are Alpha and Omega, beginning and the end. Faithful through the ages, forever you will stand. No weapon formed against me shall ever prosper. You are my defender, my strong tower.
Every knee will bow, every tongue confess, Jesus Christ is Lord in righteousness. Your mercy flows new every morning. Your grace sustains me. Your love is calling. Holy, holy Lord God Almighty, you are worthy, none beside thee. We cry out, we lift your name. Let your glory fill this place. Worthy of all praise, oh God, we bless your name forever.
Great is your name.